Hello everyone, and welcome back to English with Sophia, where we explore the beauty and depth of the English language together. Today, we're focusing on a very powerful question: are you following your dreams? As we discuss this topic, I'll share how each aspect of dreaming can be transformative and provide practical English vocabulary and expressions related to our discussion. Dreams are not just idle wishes, they are crucial for guiding our lives and fostering personal growth. Whether it's a career goal, personal achievement, or an improvement you seek in your daily life, dreams shape your journey. Creating a vision, dreams provide us with a clear vision, much like a roadmap for a traveler. They guide our decisions and give purpose to our actions. For instance, the English word roadmap metaphorically describes a plan or strategy intended to achieve a particular goal. Think of your dreams as your personal roadmap. Boosting motivation. Pursuing a dream fuels your motivation. This drive is what gets you up in the morning and helps you push through challenges. In English, we often use the phrase fuel your motivation, where fuel is used as a verb meaning to stimulate or propel. Sourcing inspiration, dreams have a ripple effect. They inspire not only you but also those around you. When you chase your dreams, you encourage others to pursue their own. The phrase ripple effect in English refers to a situation where, like ripples expanding across the water when an object is dropped into it, an effect from an initial state can be followed outward incrementally. Reducing stress. Actively working towards a dream can reduce stress by channeling your energy into positive pursuits rather than succumbing to anxiety. This is a practical application of channeling energy, which means directing or focusing energy in a specific direction. Enhancing creativity. Dreams require creativity, as they often challenge us to find new solutions and ideas. This makes the journey towards a dream not just a chase, but also a creative process. In English, we talk about creative processes as methods of generating new ideas or concepts. Improving decision-making. With a clear goal in mind, decision-making becomes more straightforward. Every decision is guided by whether it helps move closer to achieving your dream. Here, goal-oriented is a useful term, describing an approach or strategy focused on achieving specific objectives. Increasing persistence. Dreams enhance our persistence, the ability to keep going despite difficulties. In English, persistence is often paired with words like tenacity and determination, both of which highlight the quality of being determined to do or achieve something. Personal growth. Pursuing your dreams invariably leads to personal development. You acquire new skills and experiences, which contribute to your growth as an individual. This is often referred to as personal development, a continuous process of self-improvement. Building confidence. Every small achievement on your journey builds confidence. This is a classic example of incremental learning, where you gradually increase your knowledge and confidence through small steps. Encouraging risk-taking. To achieve your dreams, you must often take risks. This step out of your comfort zone is necessary for growth and is a dynamic part of learning English as well. We often use the phrase step out of your comfort zone to describe doing something that you are not used to in order to grow. Strengthening relationships. Dreams can bring people together. Sharing your aspirations with others can lead to strong bonds formed over common goals. The English phrase common goals refers to objectives or plans shared by a group, which can foster deeper cooperation and support. Teaching patience. The path to a dream is not immediate. It teaches you patience and the value of long-term effort. Long-term effort in English emphasizes sustained effort extended over a significant period of time. Promoting self-discovery. As you chase your dreams, you'll likely discover new facets of yourself. This journey is as much about finding out who you are as it is about achieving specific goals. We often discuss self-discovery in English as the process of gaining insight into one's character. Offering fulfillment. Reaching your dreams brings a deep sense of fulfillment and accomplishment, often described in English as a sense of achievement, which refers to the proud feeling you get after achieving something significant. Driving continuous learning. Dreams drive the need to acquire new skills or knowledge, keeping you intellectually engaged and always learning, crucial for both personal and professional growth. Continuous learning is an essential concept in English education, emphasizing ongoing, voluntary, and self-motivated pursuit of knowledge. Helping overcome fear. The pursuit of dreams involves confronting fears, such as the fear of failure. Overcoming these fears is a critical step in personal development, often discussed under the topic of overcoming obstacles in educational settings. Building a legacy. What you achieve can inspire others for generations. Your dreams have the power to create a legacy that influences others. In English, legacy refers to something transmitted by or received from an ancestor or predecessor. Improving mental health. Chasing and achieving your dreams contributes to your overall mental well-being. It gives you a purpose and can significantly enhance your mood and outlook on life. Improving societal values. When you work towards and achieve your dreams, you also promote values like diligence, perseverance, and ambition within society. These are societal values, principles that are widely recognized by members of a society. Opening doors to possibilities. Finally, dreams open doors to new possibilities, leading to opportunities that might have remained unseen. The phrase open doors is often used in English to describe creating opportunities for possibilities. Cultivating resilience. Dreams teach us resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks. In pursuing dreams, you will inevitably face challenges that test your spirit. Resilience is about adapting to difficulties and continuing to move forward. This term is essential in discussions about personal growth and development. Expanding horizons. Chasing dreams often leads to experiences that expand your horizons. You may travel to new places, meet different people, or engage in unique activities. This expansion enriches your life, making you a more well-rounded person. The phrase expanding horizons is a popular English idiom used to describe broadening one's knowledge and experiences. Enhancing problem-solving skills. Pursuing dreams involves solving various problems that come your way. This process sharpens your problem-solving skills, making you more capable of handling future challenges. In English, problem-solving is a critical skill set often highlighted in educational and professional contexts. Driving innovation. Dreams drive innovation. When you strive to achieve something unique, you innovate. This could be developing a new teaching method or creating educational content that breaks the mold. Innovation is a key concept in many fields and is especially prized in educational settings. Fostering independence. Working towards your dreams fosters independence. You learn to rely on your abilities and make decisions that best suit your goals. Independence is a valuable trait in both personal and professional life, often discussed in the context of personal development. Promoting discipline. Achieving dreams requires discipline. You need to consistently work towards your goals, often sacrificing immediate pleasures for long-term gains. The concept of discipline in English refers to the practice of training oneself to do something in a controlled and habitual way. Building determination. Dreams build determination. You develop a mindset geared towards achieving set goals, no matter the obstacles. Determination is a powerful English word often used in motivational talks and personal development discussions. Encouraging adaptability. Pursuing dreams requires adaptability, being able to adjust to new conditions. As you chase your dreams, you'll encounter situations that demand flexibility and learning new ways to achieve your goals. Adaptability is a highly valued skill in all aspects of life. Inspiring leadership. Dreams inspire leadership. By pursuing your goals, you can lead by example, inspiring others to follow their paths. Leadership is a significant concept in English, referring to the action of leading a group of people or an organization. Promoting healthy living. Dreams can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Often, to achieve your dreams, you need to maintain physical and mental health, which encourages habits like regular exercise and balanced eating. Healthy living is a common topic in discussions about well-being in English. Enhancing communication skills. As you pursue your dreams, you often need to communicate your vision to others, whether to gather support or share ideas. This enhances your communication skills, a crucial ability in all areas of life. Generating positive energy. Dreams generate positive energy. When you are focused on positive goals, you emit positivity, which can be contagious to those around you. In English, positive energy is often mentioned in the context of personal and professional environments. Encouraging gratitude. Working towards dreams makes you grateful for every small win and the people who support you. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that enhances life satisfaction and is frequently discussed in psychological and self-help contexts. Promoting mindfulness. Dreams encourage you to be present and engaged in your pursuits, promoting mindfulness. This practice involves being fully present in the moment, which is beneficial for mental health and is a popular topic in wellness discussions. Fostering creativity. Pursuing dreams inherently requires creativity, as you often need to think outside the box to overcome challenges and realize your visions. Creativity is essential in many fields and is particularly celebrated in educational contexts. Supporting societal progress. When individuals strive to achieve their dreams, they contribute to societal progress. Their achievements can inspire innovations and improvements within the community. Societal progress is a term used to discuss the overall advancement of a society in terms of economic, social, and technological factors. Building emotional intelligence. Chasing your dreams helps build emotional intelligence, your ability to understand and manage your emotions and those of others. This intelligence is crucial for personal and professional success and is often highlighted in educational and psychological discussions. Enhancing networking. Pursuing dreams often involves networking, connecting with others who share similar goals or can help you along your journey. Networking is a crucial skill in professional development and is often discussed in career guidance. Increasing cultural awareness. As you pursue your dreams, especially if they involve interacting with diverse groups or traveling, you increase your cultural awareness. This awareness is crucial for operating successfully in today's globalized world. Promoting joy and satisfaction. Ultimately, following your dreams leads to joy and satisfaction. Achieving your goals brings a deep sense of happiness and fulfillment, commonly discussed in discussions about mental health and well-being. As we wrap up, I encourage you to reflect on your dreams and consider what steps you can take right now to advance toward them. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If this discussion has inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share our video. Thank you for joining me today on English with Sophia, and remember, your dreams are worth pursuing.